For the many generations that enjoy this cottage, that chapter starts today.
And let me explain some of the maintenance-free features at lot 504B. Let's start with the board and batten vinyl siding, a metal roof, maintenance-free windows, a recent deck installation, and I'm going to get to a special structure a little bit later. For now, let's head on inside. You know, Grandma enjoyed her front porch back in the city. Well, that's duplicated here with a view. Kevin?
You know it, it's all here. Kids, moms, dads, pets, we've got it all. Maintenance-free flooring, open plan, have a look around. Completing this layout are your 3 bedrooms and your bathroom.
A garage, this is more than a garage. It's a rare boathouse on Conestogo Lake, and it is grandfathered. Here's your winch. And just imagine adding some glass railings. This could be your future elevated deck. And as for outdoor recreation, this is called Conestogo Lake for a reason.
Get used to it. Look at all the activity on this lake.
And there you have it, everything that you need in a cottage. For more information on lot 504B, visit ConestogoLake.com or just follow the big yellow chairs.
They're everywhere. We're the Reitzels and we sell cottages.